Hi everyone. Today we will discuss the conditional probability, lesson 7. Same story with a different example. Here, the probability of event B given event A can be found by probability of A and B divided by probability of A. Okay. Before solving our regular question, let me give you one very simple example. Now assume in a class male student is a 40% and female student is 60%, which means if I choose a student randomly, the probability that the student is a male student is 40% or 0.4, right? Then probability of F will be 0.6. And assume 30% of male students wear glasses. And 40% of female students wear glasses. Then from here, what is the probability of male and glasses? Which means if I choose a student randomly, what is the probability the student is a male and wear glasses? You can simply multiply these two probability, right? Now, same reason, the probability of F and G will be 0.6 times 0.4 over 0.24. So far so good. Now, what is the probability of female given glasses? Okay. Which means if I select a student, he is wearing glasses. Now, what is the probability the student is the female? Is the probability of female and glasses over probability of glasses. Okay. Now, definitely you can use these two information. Probability of F and G is here, so 0.24. And probability of glasses, you can simply add these two things, right? So 0.12 plus 0.24, which is 24 over 36 over 2/3. Good. Okay, we will try to solve our question. A survey of adults in a town shows that 8% have a liver problem. Which means no liver problem is 0.92. Is okay? It is also found that 30% are heavy, of these, it is also found that 30% are heavy drinker. Okay, here, heavy drinker, 30%. And 60% are social drinker, so social drinker, 60%. And 10% are non-drinkers. Good. Okay, of those that did not suffer from liver problem, 5% are heavy drinker. So here, heavy drinker is a 5%. And 65% of a social drinker. And 30% do not drink at all. If a person is found to be a heavy drinker, so heavy drinker is this two situation, right? So you don't need to find every possible probability. You can simply find the probability of these two things. Liver problem and heavy drinker is 0.08 times 0.3, right? This is 0.024. And this one, probability of no liver problem and heavy drinker is 0.92 times 0.05, which is 4.046. 0.046. Okay. Now, question asks us if a person is found a heavy drinker, what is the probability that the person has a liver problem? So, question asks us liver problem given heavy drinker, right? So this will be probability of liver and heavy drinker divided by probability of heavy drinker. Is okay? So probability of liver and heavy drinker is here, so 0.024, and heavy drinker, sum of these two things, right? So 0.024 plus 0.046. This is 24 over 70. Okay, about good. Okay, let me summarize one more time. If you want to find the probability of event B given event A, we must find the probability of event B and A over probability of event A. Okay, with the same reason, this is totally different situation, right? Although they have the same numerator, probability of A and B, the denominator will be probability of B. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and we may see next time. Bye bye.